What's going on, everybody? Chanel Stevens here. I'm back again with another video, and in this video I want to go over how you can make $1,000 in 7 days. Now, this is not no get rich quick type. I really want to teach you something in this video. I really want to teach you how you can focus. I really want to teach you how to get results in your life, because right now it's a lot of people don't know how to get results, not even a little bit of results. So if you shoot for $1,000 in 7 days, who's to say you can't make 100? Who's to say you can't make $50? Who's to say you can't make your first dollar online shooting for this goal, right? So that's what I really want to break down in this video. I want to show you guys the power of your mind. Now, I've been saying success in this business, CPA affiliate marketing is 80% mental, right? So I want to teach you guys how to take back your mind, how to take back your focus, because right now your focus is everywhere. And I know that's really the main dilemma with most Americans, especially. Our focus is so scattered because we have so much going on in this country, and we got social media and everything like that that's just stealing our attention and stealing our focus. And a lot of people are not able to make money because they can't get their mind right. They're broke because they can't get their mind right. So what I really want to talk about in this video is a mental diet, and then I'll go into the how-to. So it's going to be like a split part of the video. So stay tuned to the end of this video if you're looking to really figure out what it's going to take to see success with CPA affiliate marketing today, right now, this week. So this is called a mental diet. Now, if you have never heard of a mental diet, it's what it sounds like. It's putting your mind on a diet. You know how you put your body on a diet when you want to lose weight and things like that? It's putting your mind on a diet. So how do you do that? All right, guys, there's going to be some rules, and there's going to be some sacrifices. Now, to make money, you have to make sacrifices. The only place where success comes before work is in the dictionary, right? So you have to put in work. You're going to have to do something too. It's just not going to just, oh, Chanel made a video about how to make $1,000, and you just randomly watch a video and $1,000 is going to just be in your account like in 7 days. That's not how it works, right? You have to do something. You have to sacrifice. So what is it going to take? Guys, it's going to take no TV, no music, no video games. If you're 18 or older, I hope you're on this video. If you are 18 or older, I hope you are, because I'm going to say something. No sex, right? No sex. And that's even if you're in a committed relationship, married, whatever. Like, just take a week off from, lusting, thinking about sex, anything like that. Don't do it. It's a lot of guys, you have porn addictions and things like that. Like, cut it off. It's something called NoFap. Don't do nothing crazy. Like, just don't even think about sex. No sex at all, right? No alcohol, no drugs, no weed, no nothing. None of that. You can't do none of that. No Instagram, no more YouTube videos. I'm gonna even show y'all something, because we right here on my computer. I'm gonna even show y'all something real quick, what you can do to make it easier. All right, it's this plugin right here called Stay Focused, right? So what you can do is you can download this plugin on Google Chrome. And what you can do is you can block sites on your computer, right? So as you're freaking like working, because what you really need to do is pick a traffic source, right? You're trying to make money with CPA affiliate marketing. Pick a traffic source, Right now here I'm on Microsoft Ads, but if it's Facebook, you need to be on Facebook.com, right? Business.facebook.com. You need to only be on your business manager. This should be the only tab you have pulled up. This and an affiliate network. That should be the only thing you're focused on. So all those other sites you can cut out. Stay focused, right? So look here. Look, let me show you guys something. Block sites. Sites that were taking up a bunch of my time. D-Live, Judge Report. I like news and, staying woke. Instagram. Watching video game streams, because when I was bored, I would watch like things like Fortnite or Apex. Like, we all have things that steal our time. These might not be your same sites, but pick those sites that when you're on your laptop, or if you're on your phone, block all that stuff out. You can if you have an iPhone, you can put content restrictions where you can block certain sites. You can only allow certain sites. Block that stuff on your phone is really important. I even want to show you guys this, my YouTube.com. So this is my YouTube.com. Basically, it's blank. When I go on YouTube.com, most of y'all see a whole bunch of stuff on your screen, and I can turn that on. But what I have is this app right here called Hide Rec. That's a plugin as well. And what you can do is you can hide your homes, like the home screen. So home recommendations, you can turn it off, you can turn it back on, right? So that's what you want to make sure you do. And then you also want to, you can also, when you click on a video, so let's turn one of these on. All right, and then you can see how all this pops up, right? So what you can do is you can actually hide that. So show right recommendations, you can turn that off. You can also turn off comments, you can turn off playlists, you can turn off home recommendations. Like, keep all this off and you don't see nothing. So when you're watching a YouTube video, you don't get distracted. Now guys, a lot of you guys like, what did she on a tangent, like she's showing me like how to hide stuff on my computer. I'm trying to make money in 7 days. See, this is why you haven't been making $1,000 every 7 days. You know what I'm saying? Because you have a mindset that is like totally messed up, and you have to clear your mind and get all the toxic stuff out, all the distractions out. Now I just went on Facebook, because even if you have a Facebook account, what you really need to do is not even be on Facebook. Notice how I'm on Facebook and I see nothing. All I can do is go straight to my business manager. That's all I need to do with this. You don't need to be scrolling, reading your timeline. You're wasting time doing that. And how do you block this? You block it with something called right here, kill newsfeed. So if you don't have these 3 plugins right now, you need to put them on your computer right now, because that's what it's going to take to get you to the next level. It's 20% the technicalities. It's 80% mental. Is what you do. It's what's being done different. That's going to make you have different results, right? So this is what I'm trying to teach you. And the power in this stuff is real. And if somebody like me, who has the lifestyle I want, who has money and whatever, and I'm still blocking it out, I still don't pay attention to it. Why? Because I have to stay focused. If I'm not staying focused, I'm losing. I'm losing, right? So make sure you know you're sticking to your ad accounts. That's all you need to be worrying about. If you're running Microsoft ads, stay on Microsoft. The next thing you need to do is you really need to pay attention to the type of foods you eat. You may be thinking this sounding woo-woo, whatever, but you have to pay attention to the type of foods you eat, because a lot of foods will mess you up mentally and make you feel some type of way. And you be like, why do I feel like this? And it's because what you ate. A lot of things like pizza, ice cream, burgers, things that you eat, and you're just like, after you eat it, you like, oh, like I'm stuffed. Like if you feeling like, oh, like after you eat and low energy, you want to go to sleep, that's bad. You're not supposed to feel like that after you eat. You want to eat foods that make you feel energized, happy, stick with, grilled meats or fish. If you're vegan, like even better. Like, I'm not telling you to, go on a diet. This is going to help your mental. This is going to clear your brain fog. A lot of you guys have brain fog. A lot of you guys, don't have a clear mind. And this is really going to clear your mind. Eating things like veggies and only drinking water, no soda, no juice, only drink water for like the next 7 days. Things like that is the key difference and what's going to take you to the next level. Like, this is the secret. This is what these entrepreneurs are doing. Don't you see all these entrepreneurs? They be out working out every day, trying to keep their mind focused, because that's what it takes. Exercise helps your brain. And you don't even have to exercise. Really, you can literally just watch the way you eat, for a certain amount of time. Like, I've been doing it. I lost 25 pounds just doing this. Just like taking these mental diets, it's helped me lose weight. Adding in a couple fasts and things like that really clears your mind so much. And I hope you guys are just like getting so much value from this, because this is the stuff nobody talks about. This is the true secret on how to make money and how to really produce results, is by being able to focus and being able to have a clear mind. So it's like, when it comes to making money or doing CPA marketing, you can just see so clearly on how it goes. When you're looking at your ad account, you're not feeling some type of way, because what you want to do is you're in a certain state right now. Like, are you happy? Are you sad? Some of you are depressed, and trying to make money while you're depressed, you're not going to make any money. So like, it's really, really hard, because your energy is off. Your energy is so off. So what you have to do is clear all that out and really work on yourself. So if you feel like you've been in a rut, this should really break that rut. This should be the start of your new winning streak. This should be the start of, things actually happening in your life. And it can be a day your life turns around. You can actually like frame it as that, as you're going through this mental diet, right? So what I want you to do is, I want you to make money, right? So $1,000 in the next 7 days. And I actually have $1,000 right here, so you can see what $1,000 look like. So you can see $1,000, right? So that's $1,000. This is what you want to get in the next 7 days. So how can you get this money? What you need to do is you need to find a proven affiliate offer, right? I have gone over many times in my videos. This could be your first time on my channel, but I show you how to spy on affiliates and things like that, so you can actually don't have to start from scratch and try to find a campaign and an offer that you're not sure if it's going to work or not. So the fastest way to find an affiliate offer, to do that, basically what you're going to need to do is you're going to need to find a proven affiliate funnel, right? So a proven affiliate, basically, let's actually go to Bing. I have Bing pulled up right here. So I'm on Bing, and what you want to do is you want to actually reverse engineer some funnels, right? You want to see what super affiliates, you want to spy on other super affiliates. Now I teach this on the channel. I've done this numerous of times. It's not nothing new. And what this does is it jumpstarts your way to success. Why does it jumpstart your way to success? Because you're not starting from scratch. You're not guessing on what works. You're actually going out on these traffic sources and you're seeing what's already working, and then you're just setting up as well. All right, so this is how you can find affiliate offers, super affiliate offers. So what you want to go ahead and do is go to Bing, and let's just say you have survey offers. So you can say make money with surveys, right? So you can go to make money with surveys, and you can just see what ads actually pop up. So you can see here, make money doing surveys, and you can just open all these and just see if you can find any affiliates, right? Let's check these out and just see if you see any affiliates. So that's not affiliate. This doesn't really look like an affiliate. This looks like an actual advertiser offer, and these are just other search engines. All right, so what you can also do when you're on Bing is you can see these other keywords related to make money with surveys, and you can start reverse engineering all these different keywords. So this is the type of stuff you need to focus on. Sitting here and doing this stuff, and this stuff can take time. You have to sit here and you have to do research and see what's working, what's not working. But what I'm trying to do is teach you how to find super affiliate funnels. So what you can do is just see what other things pop up. So you can just press a space and see what's popping up with this. So make money with surveys, $50 a day. So let's just say that if that was the keyword that you use for your Bing campaign. Now what you would want to do is just check out the ads and just see if you can find any affiliates. So see if this is an affiliate. That's not an affiliate. We already checked that out. See if anything else pops up by just like refreshing, and you see if anything else pops up. So this, you can see right here, this takes time. And if you're listening to music and not really trying to, focus, you can get distracted. You can say, oh, I'm not seeing anything. And, because we haven't found a super affiliate funnel in 2 seconds, but I just saw one. So let me see, go to this one. So you can see this, this was one of the links, the Entrepreneur on Fire link that I opened up. I was trying to find more, but it looks like we only have one. But as you can see, who else wants to generate 500 daily commissions from home in Q4? So what you can do is you can enter in your email. So Chanel's email, and you can see they're actually using you guys can't probably see it, but they're using, they was using like a super affiliate tracker. And you can see this is an affiliate offer. So here's people, it's actually not a survey offer, but it's another type of offer. And what you can do is, this is how you see what other super affiliates are doing. Now, I'm not sure how much traffic this offer gets. You can hit up your affiliate manager, see if they heard anything about this offer. You can look down here and see if they have any affiliate pages or anything like that. Looks like some type of affiliate offer that maybe they're just testing out. So this is how you spy on affiliates. You just sit here and you go through this, right? And that's Bing. So this is how you reverse engineer Bing. And that's just a simple 5-minute example on researching offers with Bing and things like that. I really go into depth inside my Mogul Academy, but for the sake of time, I just wanted to give you a quick glance at how this all works. And you actually need a budget for this. Yes, you're going to need money, because I don't teach getting free traffic. I teach paid traffic. Now, do you need this huge budget? No, you do not. But what you need to do is, let's just go to Facebook, for example. All right, so I have Facebook actually pulled up. So let's hop on Facebook real quick and I can show you exactly what I'm talking about. So what you can do right here is you can actually just like create a campaign, but within these campaigns, you can make different assets. So how do you split test different assets? What's going to be split tested is your actual detailed targeting. This is going to be split tested. You can split test genders. You can split test ages. You can split test different locations, and you can set different audiences up in these different assets. So you can have multiple assets within a campaign, right? So if you have $100 budget, what you can do is that's allowing you to test what? 10 assets. If you run each ad set at $10 an ad, So let's say your daily budget, you want to do $10 ad set for each ad. So $10, you can set up about 10 of these ads at $10. And which one out of the $10 spends gets you the most link clicks and generates the most traffic to your offer? That's the one I would keep testing and keep running, because right now what you're trying to do is generate traffic. And once you get to the optimizing part and all that other stuff, like it's stages to CPA marketing. I can't teach it all in this video, but what I do want to do is show you guys what's possible, and with the power of using paid traffic, this is how you're able to get to the $1,000, you know, fairly quickly. Because if I just sat here and taught you free traffic, there's no telling when you'll make money, because you'll be sitting there just having to grind out posting in groups and all this other stuff, or posting on Craigslist. And I mean, some of that stuff can work, but a lot of these offers on these CPA networks do not want you getting traffic from Craigslist. So I mean, I would check with my affiliate manager first, but for the most part, what you need to do is be split testing these different audiences and things like that. And what you can also split test is different placements. So you see on Facebook, there's all these different placements. You can be split testing Facebook. You can be split testing Instagram. You know, you can have assets, you know, just going to for Facebook, just for Instagram. Basically, split testing is just setting up different audiences, different demographics, trying to really dial in to see what's actually working. And, you know, I go over this in depth inside Mogul Academy. That's why if you have Mogul Academy, if you're one of my students, the next 48 to 72 hours, you should be finished with the course. You should just go through the whole entire course. And if you're not inside Mogul Academy, what you can do is watch my videos, watch my training videos. I have a playlist on my channel where it's all my CPA marketing tutorials. Watch all those tutorials and just set up alongside. Don't just watch them, follow along. I don't want you guys to just watch what I'm doing and not take any action. Right now, you should be focusing on building campaigns, the traffic source you're going to be using, whether it's going to be Facebook ads or Bing. You need to be focused on landing pages, getting your fan pages set up, you know, creating ads or getting ads done for you if you're looking to outsource, targeting, building an audience. So you see how all these things you need to focus on within your business. But I just named off a whole bunch of things earlier in this video that you need to cut out, and it's things that you have been focusing on. So this is how you create results when you're able to just focus on strictly what needs to be done, money making activities. I think I also got a video on money making activities on this channel. I have a lot of value on this channel. So if you're not in Mogul Academy, you can watch my videos, but I don't want you to go through a loop of watching YouTube videos thinking you need YouTube videos. Just work alongside them. Don't just watch the video. If you have a video pulled up, it better be because you have your ads manager pulled up or being pulled up or something. It better be some type of tutorial helping you get through the task. That's the only type of videos you need to be watching. Other than that, you need to be worrying about getting to the next level, which is going to be, you know, that optimizing and scaling process, which is really what I guess the secret sauce. And I also just went over a video, the #1 secret to making $100,000 with Facebook ads. Watch that video and how I break that down so that you can get a bigger picture on what it takes if you're actually using Facebook ads. For anybody that need extra help, I have private coaching available for a limited time. So I don't know when you're watching this video, but if it's available, you know, schedule a call. I can help you get to that next level once you're in the motion. You know, after the 7 days, after you set up these campaigns and been testing and you're looking to scale and looking to optimize, that's where I can really come in and help you at, you know, take you from that $1,000 mark to the $10,000, $20,000, $30,000 mark, because that's where I really want you to go. You know, the potential with CPA affiliate marketing is crazy. It's so crazy. You see here, I just have cash just like laying around, just all the time. I always have cash now. Like I used to never have cash. Now I always have cash because like I have an abundance of money because I'm able to just sit here and just focus. This is how you get abundance. I don't let you see how I have my setup is. I don't just let anything bother me. My phone's on do not disturb. Like you guys have to learn how to shut everything out and only focus on what matters. And this right now is what matters if you're looking to make $1,000 in the next 7 days. So, all right, guys, that's all I got for this video. I hope you guys got a lot of value and really stick with this and, you know, make a commitment to this mental diet and everything I went over in this video. So I'm here to help you get results. So if you like this video, make sure you like it up. Subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.